In my last video, I started a series on the power of punctuations in the English language, starting with the comma. In that class, I mentioned about 3 unique powers of the comma. Now, it's time to work. I feel it's only important, it's only appropriate that I test your understanding of the thing that I taught in that class with this revisional exercise. As you can see, we have two groups of A and B consisting of 4 sentences in all, each group having 2 sentences. And all you're going to do is to tell the difference between the sentences in each group of expressions. We have 2 sentences in group A and 2 sentences in group B. And what you're going to do in the comment section is to distinguish or tell the difference between this sentence and this sentence, right? And also tell the difference between this sentence and this sentence. I know that a lot of you might be timid, yeah, you might feel shy to leave your answers in the comment section. If you belong in that pack, you might want to reach out to me privately. Leave your answer as a direct message. I'm going to review and have your feedback sent to you privately also. For those who be reaching out privately, I appreciate it if you can as well read each of these expressions so I can tell how much you've mastered sentence intonation. Or I've told previously also how you observe, the comma in speech, how you observe the comma in speech, how you observe the exclusion of the comma in speech. I'll so much appreciate that you leave a voice note. If you're going to be sending a direct message you can leave a direct message. You can leave a voice note on YouTube. Well, I'm not sure if the audience can leave a voice note message on YouTube, but as a creator, I can. So if you want to reach out on WhatsApp, you might want to leave a voice note, where you read all of the things or where you're reading these sentences. You can leave a voice note on TikTok, you can leave a voice note on Facebook, through Messenger, and I think that's allowed. So I look forward to seeing your answers in the comment section or as a direct message. And of course, the goal is simple, is to test whether or not you follow through all the things that I taught in the first video in this series. I want to see your answers. Do not shy away from it. See you next time. See you in the comment section.